Question 5. We have the best sequence of tests when validating data is type, existence, then range, range, existence, then type, range, type, then existence, existence, type, then range. The best sequence of tests when validating data. So we need to know what all these things do. So type is checking for what type of variable. So that might be a boolean or a char or an integer or a float. And existence is it there or not? Is it there or not? And range is is it between 0 and 10 or something like that. So if you're checking, probably the first thing that we want to check if we're checking something, let's say I'm putting in an email address or something, or my age in here. So age, and I hit submit. Here's the submit button. I want to probably check if I actually put something in first before I check what data type it is and what range it is, right? Because there's no use checking these two if there's nothing in there. So I'm probably going to start with existence. So that's going to take that one off, that one off, that one off, and leave D, actually. That was an easy one because we didn't have to go and then talk about the other ones. So if this makes sense, right? I'm checking for the existence first, number one. Then I'll check, did I input numbers or did I input decimal or characters or string? And then am I within range? So usually if I was putting in my age, it would be, well, you wouldn't put in 0, but you put 0 to 1 to, let's say, just to be on the safe side, in case you're some monk that's lived to 200 or something, you might put it up to 200. So 1 to 200. No, I don't know anyone who's lived really past 100 and 120, let's say 150. So just to be safe, you would put 200 as a scale. So that makes sense. Existence, type, then range. Let's have a look. Question 5. Question 5 is D. Most people got that right too. If you want to check the book, Validation Techniques, starts on page 57, goes through existence checking, type checking, range checking again. So again, page 57.